how to fix washed out screen after update on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Display. After click on Display, scroll down and click on Screen Mode and convert to Vivid, and you will see Set Balance from here and click on Advanced Settings. After click on Advanced Settings, you will see Set Vividness, and after Set Vividness, go back and you will see your problem is solved. So if it's still not solved, again refresh phone and click on Settings app. Scroll down and click on General Management. Scroll down to and click on Reset and click on Reset All Settings, and again click on Reset Setting. So if just reset all settings, it's not cleaner, remove your phone memory and data. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix washed out screen after update on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.